learned this topic before or not, but you have applied it in your day-to-day life. Let me explain you how. For example, if you test a bike or car, you have to you always take a test drive to ensure that the bike or car you are buying works fine or not. You don't know what are the materials used for building those car or bike, but you know how it works. So same concept is used by the tester to test the software or applications using black box testing. So what is basically black box testing is? It is a dynamic software testing method which is used to test the software or application by analyzing the functionality of the software. So black box testing, because mainly focuses on the functionality of the system, it is also known as behavioral testing or functional testing. Black box testing also, in black box testing, tester tests the software or application without knowing the internal structure or code of the system. So it is also known as opaque testing or closed box testing. So a question arises that why where to apply this black box testing, right? So the answer is it occurs throughout the software development and testing life cycle. That is unit testing, integration testing, system testing, acceptance testing, and regression testing. Remember those testing stages which we have learned in verification validation model. Now let's move forward towards testing tools. So black box testing tools are mainly record and playback tools which we use to record test cases in the form of some scripts like VBScript, JavaScript, and etc. So in black box testing, because we have to give various different input combinations and compare the generated output with the expected output, it is necessary to design test cases. So testers can create those test cases using the black box testing techniques. There are mainly 7 techniques, and one of them today we are going to see one of them. That is state transition testing. So what happens in state transition testing? Actually, it tests the different states of changes while testing the application based on the conditions. Okay, for example, take an example of login system where user have to give a username and password. If it is not given correct in first attempt, it will get another chance. If in also second attempt he fails to give the correct username and password, he will get another chance, that is third attempt. If in third attempt also he fails to give it correct user and password, then its account will be locked. Else if he successful in giving the correct user and password in either of the attempts, then he will redirect it to the home page. So this all was the black box testing methods. Thank you.